Get ready for an epic New Year's surprise, just 2 weeks away from Samsung's Unpacked 2024, where they will unveil the Galaxy S24 series. In this video from InfiniTech channel, we are going to talk a little about Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Let's go! Brace yourself for some jaw-dropping revelations. First up, the S24 Ultra might just redefine a smartphone videography with the ability to shoot 4K videos at an incredible 120 frames per second, a feat even the iPhone 15 Pro Max cannot match. Here is a price twist. Reports suggest that the S24 and S24 Plus are turning heads with a lower price tag compared to their predecessor in some markets. In Europe, the Galaxy S24 is rumored to start at €899, €50 less than the S23. The S24 Plus is starting at €1,149, is also down by €50 from the S23 Plus. Exciting news for those eyeing an upgrade. Now let's dive into the official product details for the S24 Ultra and S24 Plus. Samsung is putting a spotlight on nightography, highlighting low light performance, especially in zoom situations. The S24 Ultra boasts a powerful camera system, and it's not just about megapixels, it's about redefining low light photography. 5 key features steal the show: live translate for real-time language translation during calls, nightography zoom for exceptional low light zoom, generative edit using AI for photo and video editing, high resolution capturing up to 200 megapixels, and the new and improved display that's brighter, color accurate, and flaunts a flatter design, giving you more screen real estate. Details also spell about the S24 Ultra's titanium model, bringing durability and a premium feel to the table. Ice Universe hints at the stunning titanium gray color, a dream for those who love a metallic touch. As for the S24 Plus, it's carrying the same key features, and Samsung seems to be placing heavy bets on its success, even boosting production volume. The countdown to unpack has begun. Only 2 weeks left. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Which one is your favorite? Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to subscribe for comprehensive coverage.